Alright, so today I'm going to be changing the factory stock lights to the HD lights. I'm gonna change them to the HD lights. So I'm going to use this flathead to open this up. See that? Then I'm going to use some pliers to get that out. So I end up just taking the whole plastic off, and you got to get these type of pliers. You're going to grab this bulb that's right here. There it goes. So once you do that, you're going to put the new one in. It's going to turn on. Same process I showed you. Same process I showed you. You're gonna do to the other side. Now on this side, that small flathead, you're gonna need that because you're gonna have to push this open from the side, and that should just fall just like that. Now this is like this. I'm gonna grab your piece. And there you go. Once you lay that right up in there, boom. Now you got the regular. There you go. This is the back of the truck. Just gonna get in there. Get in there with that. It might be a little hard. Just gotta do that. Okay, once you got that off, it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna show you what bulb to put in there so you can, as you can see, you get it out with the pliers. Get out with these pliers. There you go. You're gonna slide your bulb right up in there. You know which side that button. Just push that in. There you go. LED. You're gonna poke this open again with your flathead. That's all you doing. With your flathead. You're gonna poke that open with your flathead. Then you're gonna pull a bulb out with one of these. Pull it out with one of these. Then you're gonna put whichever one I tell you. My camera turned off, but it's gonna be like a hole right there. You're gonna snatch that out with your pliers. It's gonna be a little hard though, because as you push, as you see, if you push that in there, that pushes back. So I'm gonna push that in there, and then I'm gonna show you the app. See the HD bulb is in there. And what you're gonna do, just cover it up back with the top.